So this beef and potato is going to be absolutely incredible, flavorful, loaded with lots of proteins, carbs, and veggies. And it's going to be perfect for lunch, dinner, meal prep. And this is a perfect main dish. You can serve on a platter, place it on the dining table, and everyone is going to enjoy. With just a handful of ingredients, which you're going to find listed in the description box, this recipe is going to be easy peasy. So I'm going to start off by cooking my beef, and this is around half a kg that I've chopped up into strips. As you can see, the strips are thin, which means that the meat is going to cook very fast. So I'm going to place a pan over medium flame. Place some ingredients aside so that you can create some space. Then I'm going to add in 1.5 tablespoons of cooking oil. Wait for the oil to get hot, which is going to take around 20 seconds to 30 seconds. Place your meat in a single layer just like this so that it can cook evenly, and also so that it can cook very fast. As the meat is cooking, you're going to peel and slice your potatoes just like this. Just make sure not to thinly slice the potatoes because they're going to break apart. Then you're going to place a frying pan with some cooking oil over medium-high flame and wait for the cooking oil to get hot. This recipe is super fast. All you need is to prep up your fresh ingredients because they take a while you chop as you cook. While my beef strips are cooking, I'm going to add in 1 beef stock cube, back to my cooking oil. I'm going to drop in a piece of potato. Once the potato floats, the oil is ready to fry the rest of the potatoes. So I'm going to carefully drop in my potatoes. Toss the potatoes using your skimmer. Then you're going to cook or fry your potatoes for around 2 to 5 minutes. Back to my beef, which is slowly cooking. It's been around 3 minutes, and as you can see, the meat has released a little bit of water. So we are cooking the water until it's all evaporated so that we can sear our beef. The stock cube is going to add in a very nice extra beef flavor and also some very nice taste. After around 2 minutes after adding in your potatoes, don't use your skimmer to stir or to toss the potatoes because they are going to break apart. Just wait for around 4 to 5 minutes until the potatoes hold shape. Then you're going to use your skimmer and flip so that they can fry on all sides. This is after around 6 minutes and my potatoes are cooked halfway. They are still not yet crispy, but they are cooked on the inside. So I'm going to transfer to a plate lined with kitchen paper towel to drain off the excess oil. This is a simple recipe for around 2 people. And of course, you can double or even triple the ingredients to make some more for your family or if you have some guests over. Once you have all the potatoes from the cooking oil, you're going to wait for around 20 to 30 seconds so that the oil can get super hot, so that we can add in the potatoes to crispen them up. My beef is smelling amazing. The kitchen is smelling incredible because the beef has been searing for around a minute. And we have all that nice color on the beef, which is just perfect. 30 seconds gone. I'm going to place back my potatoes into the hot cooking oil. Fry for around 10 to 20 seconds at most, or until the potatoes are crispy. Back to my beef. I'm going to add in 1 white onion that I've chopped up into half moons. Add in my carrots, bell peppers, half a teaspoon of onion, garlic, and paprika powders, and some black pepper. Add in a teaspoon of dark soy sauce, a tablespoon of oyster sauce, crack in some pepper, toss once more, and just look at all those gorgeous colors. Add in my potatoes, you can also use your spatula to toss the delicious flavorful beef, and then you're going to cook for around a minute or two. There's no need to add in salt because the soy sauce and the oyster sauce are high in sodium, and also we added in a beef stock cube which contains salt. So it's a matter of tasting, adjusting the seasoning if it's not perfect. In around 1 to 2 minutes, the onions are going to soften up together with the capsicum and the carrots. This looks absolutely delicious. I'm even salivating because I've already tried the beef, which is very tender, perfect, well seasoned, and the potatoes are just so good. Because everything has softened up, I'm going to garnish with lots of coriander, which is going to add in more flavor and also garnish the dish. If you don't love coriander, you can substitute with some fresh parsley. I decided to serve my beef and potatoes on a platter, and just look how gorgeous everything is looking. We have some veggies which are not overcooked, delicious. The dish is full of umami flavor. The beef is tender, juicy, and the potatoes have a little bit of crunch, which each bite is going to be amazing. So yeah, hope you'll be giving this recipe a try because it needs very few ingredients.